how to turn off sensitive content on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off sensitive content on Instagram. Let's dive right in. Open up the Instagram app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then go to the three lines in the top right. Now you will need to scroll down until you find content preferences. It's under what you see. Here you'll find sensitive content, and here you can see three options: less, standard, more. So if you want to see less, if it is set to less, you can change it to standard if you want to see some, and you can set it to more if you want to see more sensitive content. So that is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.